How to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I show you how to fix an unoriginal content strike on TikTok and appeal the decision. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device, and once you're in the main screen, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page to access the menu, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Report a Problem option and tap on it. This section allows you to communicate directly with TikTok's support team. Now, scroll down and tap on Submit a Report. In the Submit Your Report section, you'll need to explain your situation. So provide a detailed description explaining that your content is original and why you believe the strike is a mistake. If you have any evidence such as a screenshot of the video or proof of original content creation, tap on the image icon to attach it to a report. This will definitely strengthen your appeal, so be sure to do it. Once you've filled in all the details, tap on Submit. TikTok typically takes 12 to 24 hours in a working day to review your report and respond. And that's how you can appeal an unoriginal content strike on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your appeal.